chocolate fudge cake. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la. Just finished decorating. Never mind the yung placemat, tatanggalin ko yan mamaya. So, don't you worry. Baka sabihin nyo na messy sa baba. Gusto ko muna umupo dahil ang sakit na ng paa ko. So, done my chocolate fudge for Mayet and Mary Ann Bebetug birthday celebration tomorrow. So here guys, your chocolate fudge cake with blueberries and some sprinkles.